stocks. Next is Visa. So this is really more of a payments technology company. Remember, it's not a bank. This is the company that facilitates the interchange between retailers and banks and is integral to just about every card transaction, whether it's debit card or credit card. Operates around the world, doesn't own the business in Europe, interestingly, but is in negotiation to buy that out. Very, very big player, San Francisco-based company. $171 billion worth of market capitalization. PE high, as you'd expect from a glorious technology, obvious kind of system crossover company. 29.66, dividend yield of only 0.68. But yeah, I mean, it's an easy one to sell because even in like developed countries, it's still like 4 out of 5 transactions are still done with cash banknotes. But it's definitely switching. People are using cards more and more, even for small purchases.
I am so surprised to see how many transactions are still done with cash.
Like,
it's ridiculous. Who are they? Where do they come from? Where do they live? I mean, and that's in developed countries. So when you then consider the massive opportunities that still has, they still have ahead of them in emerging markets, it's just a no-brainer. Also, I mean, why not invest in a company with a net margin of over 40%? So this company, you know, it has its fingers in everywhere. Even when you look at Apple Pay and how those transactions are facilitated.
That's a good point. People say, oh, well, I'm not going to use my card anymore. I'm going to use my phone or my thumbprint or something. But in reality, behind that almost always sits Visa or MasterCard.
With the technology,
linking all those things
exactly. Up. So it's a company with like a footprint literally everywhere, and it still has massive opportunity for growth. Also, very, very difficult for other participants to come into the market with the 3 main players being Visa, MasterCard, and Amex, American Express. But so I don't think there's a lot of significant threat from outside entrance into the market.
Let's look and see what that chart looks like. So that's a handsome looking growth curve. It has done some share splits. So if you remember them trading at higher values, remember sometimes in America, companies do these 2-for-1 type share splits and then the share price goes down. But obviously there is then a larger number of shares in issue and your holding remains the same from a value point of view. Okay, Mia, so it sounds as though we're hot on this one too.
Definitely
Good one for clients to own in an international market. Something you can own and just sit back and relax and wait for
And I mean, if you swipe your card, then you're already supporting your investments.
I mean, I'm personally invested in Nike, and I went to the trouble recently of stopping the use of my card, which was a MasterCard, in order to get another card from a different bank, Discovery as it happens, that had a Visa on it. So that, as you say,
that's what I also do.
I could be making.
Yeah.
Fabulous. Good.